Nova Simonelli thanks you for having chosen this videotape concerning the preparation of cappuccinos and latte art. Following our suggestions, you will succeed in realizing cappuccinos and coffees which are beautiful to see and excellent to taste. Let's start our lesson. Enjoy yourself. Necessary material. Besides having a good coffee machine, which is fundamental to prepare a decorated cappuccino, you need a sufficiently thick steel, slightly conic shaped lip jug. This jug, during the foaming, will help keep the heat produced by steam and will facilitate the absorption of air in the milk. Depending on the number of cappuccinos required, the right size jug must be used. That will start from a litre if you want to prepare 3 to 4 cappuccinos, a 3/4 litre for 2 to 3 cappuccinos, and the half-litre jug for 1 to 2 cappuccinos. Remember that to have the milk perfectly foamed and to make good decorations, the milk jugs must be half filled, so that the half-litre of milk will be poured into a litre jug, and so on for the jugs of different capacity. The milk foaming. Regarding the choice of milk, it is necessary to specify that besides whole milk, it is also possible to use the partially skimmed, the completely skimmed, or the biological milk, since proteins and not fats make the milk foam. In fact, they inflate themselves, holding air in. However, we advise you to use fresh whole milk because it guarantees a richer taste. To prepare a good cappuccino, it is important to follow the procedure of milk foaming adequately. First of all, it is always necessary to clean the final part of the steam pipe, discharging the water that could still be in the ducts. Observe the procedure, remembering that to get the correct foaming and the correct temperature of the milk, 72 centigrade, you need about 30 seconds for the 1 litre jug, 22 for the 3/4 of a litre jug, and 15 for the half-litre jug. Lean the steam pipe on the surface of the milk contained in the jug. Opening the steam valve completely, the milk will begin to get warm, making a rotary movement. The milk will gradually get hotter and hotter, and consequently it will increase its volume, and the noise will slowly disappear. At this point, it is important to hold the jug still so that the steam breaks up the beads, making the whole substance creamy. Let's see a sequence and also listen to the noise. Once the correct foaming has been reached, close the steam off. Then you proceed by extracting the coffee from the machine. It is important to remember that first of all you have to foam the milk and later to extract the coffee. In fact, the just foamed milk needs about 30 seconds to be used. In order to make the decoration stand out, a bit of bitter cocoa powder can be added onto the coffee. Moving the milk jug in a rotary direction so that the milk and the froth remain compact. If necessary, beat the milk jug on the countertop to break down the remaining bubbles. It is important to remember that you never use the warm milk left in the jug, nor add fresh milk, because the quality of the foaming and the taste of the cappuccino would lack all its original taste. At this point, we can proceed in realizing all different kinds of decorations. The heart. To perform the heart-shaped decoration, you should rotate the jug, then pour the milk into the cup slowly. When you have half filled the cup, lift the jug back making a small rotary movement. At this point, keep on pouring the milk, shaking the jug in order to form a circle that lengthened with a thread of milk, which will become a heart. Now let's see some slow motion performances, observing all movements attentively. The leaf. Also in this case, it is necessary to keep milk and froth well united. Please observe our barman. Pour the milk up to half cup, then increasing the flow of the milk, go towards the inferior rim of the cup, shaking the jug at the same time. Some curved lines will be created, which when cut into half by a thread of milk, a leaf will appear. The apple. To perform the apple decoration, it would be better to use the first foaming of the milk, because it is always the most compact. Let's see the procedure. It is necessary to pour the milk on the wall of the cup. Go forward with the jug, pouring just a little of the milk. Then go back towards the stem that will be formed. Slightly shaking the jug, you increase the quantity of the milk until the cup is full. Now, let's observe our barman in slow motion. Please remember that it is also possible to decorate white coffees. And now our barman will show you other possible solutions for drinks made of milk and coffee. Now you are ready to taste your delicious drinks. We would like to remind you that to be successful in the preparation of the decorated cappuccinos, it is fundamental to be very patient, to make some tests and to memorize the sequences showed in the videotape. Everybody is able to do it. It is only a matter of technique and not of ability. The new Simonelli would like to thank you for the attention given and wishes you good luck.